Welcome to the Microsoft Excel Masterclass, from basics to advanced programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this comprehensive course will take you from Excel Novice to VBA Programming Pro in 2024. Our journey begins with the foundations of Excel. You'll start by mastering the interface, learning to navigate cells, rows, and columns effortlessly. We'll cover essential formulas like sum and average before progressing to more complex functions like VLOOKUP. As we advance, you'll dive into data visualization, creating eye-catching charts and graphs that bring your data to life. Next, we'll explore powerful data analysis techniques. You'll become proficient in using pivot tables to summarize large data sets quickly. We'll also cover advanced filtering methods and show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight trends and patterns in your data. These skills are crucial for anyone working with large volumes of information. Data accuracy is paramount in any analysis. That's why we'll teach you how to implement robust data validation techniques. You'll learn to create custom input rules, error alerts, and drop-down lists, ensuring that your data remains consistent and reliable throughout your workbooks. Automation is key to boosting productivity, and that's where macros come in. We'll guide you through the process of recording, editing, and running macros to automate repetitive tasks. You'll be amazed at how much time you can save once you master this powerful feature of Excel. For those ready to take their Excel skills to the next level, we'll introduce you to VBA programming. You'll learn to write and debug VBA code, create custom functions, and develop your own Excel applications. This section will open up a world of possibilities for customizing Excel to your specific needs. Our course is designed to be comprehensive and hands-on. You'll have access to in-depth video lectures, numerous practice exercises, and real-world projects. We also provide downloadable resources and regular quizzes to reinforce your learning. This masterclass is perfect for a wide range of learners. Whether you're a complete beginner, an intermediate user looking to upgrade your skills, a data analyst seeking more efficient tools, a business professional aiming to boost productivity, or an aspiring developer interested in Excel automation, this course has something for you. The great news is that you don't need any prior Excel experience to start this course. All you need is a computer with Microsoft Excel installed, preferably the latest version, and basic computer literacy. We'll guide you through everything else step by step. By completing this masterclass, you'll gain a highly sought-after skill set. Excel proficiency is valued across industries, and advanced Excel skills can significantly boost your career prospects. Whether you're looking to improve your current job performance or transition into a data-focused role, this course will give you the tools you need to succeed. Ready to transform your Excel skills and supercharge your productivity? Enroll now in our Microsoft Excel Masterclass. Join us on this journey from basics to advanced programming and become an Excel expert in 2024.